Hi, this is David at TradeOnAUTO, and today I'm going to show you how to install the TradeOnAUTO software on a Windows computer. Start off by going to our website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to subscribe to get a subscription key. Just download it and save it from the email that we send you. Once you've done that, you'll need to check whether you have Windows 64 installed. Just right click on the Windows key, go up and click on System, and you'll see a page opening up which describes the particular version of the operating system you have. Assuming Windows 64, go back to the website download page and simply select the download for Windows 64. That will take you to a Dropbox page where you can choose to directly download the file. You don't need to open a Dropbox account. Download it into your downloads folder, and now you can simply launch the installation file. That will bring up a Windows security message. Bypass that with more info and run anyway, and then go through the standard Windows installation process. Now when that's complete, you'll see an icon on your desktop to the TOA5 program, and I like to put it into the taskbar. So that concludes the basic installation. Now I'll take you through a couple of points which you need to know when you first run TradeOnAUTO. You need to make sure initially that you're running your broker's software. I like to use the IB Gateway, which is a cut down version of their TWS software. So I keep a link to the gateway in my taskbar. I click on it to launch the software, and I enter my paper trade account credentials. When I'm logged in, it will ask me to confirm that I understand this is a paper trading account, which I do. And now I'll just show you a couple of the settings which you need to check. First of all, ensure that the port is 7496 or 7498. And also make sure that read-only API is turned off. Check some precautions. What I like to do is bypass all of the precautions. And the reason for that is that it lets you run the program without being present. Otherwise, you need to be present to respond to warning notices. Now you're ready to launch the TradeOnAUTO software. The first thing it will do is tell you that you're connected to a paper trade account in this case. And you can OK that. And then it asks you to register the program. Click on register and go to the location where you stored your subscription key. Click on it, open it, and you're told that you're registered. Now you're asked to specify the location of the TradeOnAUTO directory. In this case, I'm just going to put mine on the desktop. You may prefer to put yours in a folder which is regularly backed up, or in a cloud folder such as Dropbox or Google Drive. Just select the location and the TradeOnAUTO software will now open up. Notice the TradeOnAUTO folder has been created on the desktop. You can see it in the upper left hand portion of the screen. And that's it. You won't have to repeat these steps. So if you now close TradeOnAUTO and then launch it once again, you're just asked to, or just reminded that you're connecting to a paper trade account, and then you go straight into the program. Finally, if your version of Windows is a 32-bit system, the installation process is slightly different. Again, go to our website, the download page, and this time click on the manual option, TOA5 for Windows or Mac. Download it in the same way that we did before through the Dropbox page, and put the downloaded file into your download folder. Now I suggest that you then store it somewhere out of the way in a safe place. I'm putting it into my OneDrive folder here, so it's stored on the cloud. And then I open the OneDrive folder and I make a shortcut to it. And when I've got the shortcut on the desktop, I can then double click on the shortcut to open the file whenever I like. I don't get a pretty icon to put in my taskbar, but the functionality is essentially the same. This is David at TradeOnAUto. Thank you very much for watching this video.